Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mariayah and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mariayah. If you're just stopping by for the first time, you're highly welcome. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. Thanks a lot for always sticking by and loving my channel. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to like, subscribe to my channel, share my videos, comment. Yeah, it really go a long way for me. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this jacket, this cocoon jacket, also known as triangular jacket. Yeah, you can actually do it on your own. Like, it doesn't really take long. It takes like 30 minutes. You can do it on your own. It's easy, it's simple, like, and it's quick. You can actually do it on your own. So stay tuned and watch. So guys, this is the fabric I'm going to be using to share with you guys how I made this cocoon jacket. It's a very simple and easy tutorial. It is not something that is difficult at all, and you are going to be needing just 1 yard of fabric to be able to make this jacket regardless of your size. I am also going to be making use of this piece of fabric for the band area of the jacket. Yeah, it is a very long fabric that I have joined together. So when I'm sewing, I will fold it together like this to sew. Like I showed you earlier in the video, I showed you when there is label and when there is no label. So this place where there is no label, that is where I'm going to be sewing this band. This is my band. Yeah, same goes to the other end, the other side. I'm going to be sewing the band also to the material, to the fabric. So now after you're done doing that, the next thing you're going to do is to go ahead and place this area here that has the label. This is the side that have the label, so you're going to place it together like this and make a notch at the middle. Then you're also going to do the same thing to the other side, place it together and make a notch at the middle. I know you can barely see what I'm doing in this particular part, but with my explanation you should understand what I'm talking about. So after you're done making notches, you are going to take your round sleeve measurements, divide by 2. So I'm going to be using a round sleeve of 13, divide by 2, which is 6.5. So I'm going to be measuring it, as you can see. Then after that, I'm going to be making a cut on it, as you can see. Yeah, you also do the same at the other side. Same measurement by measuring your round sleeve, divide by 2, and you get 6.5. Same thing, you get a cut, you make a cut, sorry, as you can see. So guys, after you're done making cut on both sides, you are going to take it to this sewing machine and hem it. So just take this to your sewing machine and run it down. So I ended up running down the labeled part, like round from the beginning to the ending. So right now I just want to mark out the round sleeve divided by 2 I measured earlier, as you can see in this video, before flipping, so I will get the right measurement. Yeah, so right now I'm going to be flipping this. Like now you're going to demarcate the middle. With that my fold, that was how I was able to get the middle of this fabric. You can also use chalk to demarcate, to mark the middle, for you to demarcate where the exact middle is, so you don't end up making a mistake or making one side big and the other side smaller. See, just like a triangular form, same goes to the other side of the fabric. Now you're going to place these 2 ends together, take it to the sewing machine, and you're going to sew it. You can see where I mark with chalk. I'm going to take it to the sewing machine and sew it. So I flipped it to the right side. Now you're seeing this. It's in a triangle form, as you can see. Same goes to the other side here. So as you can see, I'm done with the two sides. So I'm going to go ahead to iron this for you guys to see how it looks and what it looks like. Now I'm going to show you guys how to iron this out very well. So just place it together like this in a triangular form. You're going to iron it out. You can see the opening. That's the opening of the sleeve that I have there. So just go ahead and iron it out very well. So you can see the first part I ironed, though not very well, but this is how it's looking like after you're done ironing. You can see the sleeve opening here. You can see the opening, that is the sleeve, also that is the neck also there. So this is how to go about making a rectangular jacket, also known as a cocoon jacket. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.